Henan Bangni Biological Engineering Company Limited is established in 2012. It is a professional insole manufacturer. It mainly produces and sells orthopedic insoles, sports insoles, height increase insoles, etc. The factory covers an area of 2,755 square meters in Xinjiang City of China. There are more than 400 employees in the company, including more than 20-person research and development technical staff, 40-person quality control team, and more than 100 sales. There are over 10 brands in the company, such as Bangni Step, Footmaster, 3Angni, etc. All products has passed the SGS certificate, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, OHSA 18001 certificate. The products are exported to over 100 countries in Europe, North America, South America, and Asia. You can find the products on Amazon, AliExpress, Alibaba, etc. Over 20 million pairs insoles are sold every year. Bangni commits to study foot care to offer better foot care service. Bangni has a number of advanced insole production technologies, such as thermoforming, compression molding, foam molding, and injection molding, and advanced PU production line in China. Besides, the company provides insole customization service to design unique insole for each foot by advanced foot scanning technology and quickly capturing foot data. ODM and OEM are both available. Logo and color and package and materials and size can be customized as customer wish. Welcome to contact us.
Hello everyone, welcome to Henan Bangni Biological Engineering Company Limited. Today we have showed you our factory, our workshop, our products, and our technology. If you are interested in our products, please contact us. Thank you.